everybody, I'm Penny from Nanandvan, and I want to tell you about my new Santa story, Santa's Big Idea. Of course, you might have seen me, I drive round in a van with flowers on, and I do eco art workshops, so I like to reduce, reuse and recycle things to make something else, something pretty, something nice, something you can use. Christmas decorations too, I can show you how to make some Christmas decorations using old CDs and all kinds of things. Anyway, today I want to tell you about my new story. It's called Santa's Big Idea. So Santa, as you know, celebrates Christmas. He delivers the presents, doesn't he, to everyone on for the 25th of December. On the 26th of December, that's the day after Christmas, Holly, his wife, and Santa go away on holiday because they've had enough and they want a bit of a change. Now, they drive a camper van. It's a bit like mine, but it's painted red and it's got Christmas decorations all over it. And it's powered by Santa's sleigh and Santa's camper van are powered by cookies and mince pies. And they go into a special factory plant where they're made into fuel for his camper van. And he flies around in it. There's nearly 2 billion children in the world and they nearly all give Santa something. So that means he's got lots of fuel for his camper van. Anyway, on his travels, he's really disappointed because he sees so much rubbish that he wants to do something about it. And he thinks, now what can he do? And then he comes up with an idea. I know, we need to get people to give. So to get, you must give. That's what he says to his wife. I know, we'll have to do something about it. We'll have to change Christmas. Change Christmas? She said you can't do that. Well, you'll have to read the book to find out what happens and how Santa comes up with a very clever idea on what to do and how, with your help, he can make the world a better place. So if you want to read my book, you can get a copy of it you can get in touch with me to get a copy of it on my Facebook page, on my Instagram page, and you might even see me at one of my workshops, one of my storytellings in Kent, or all around the UK that's coming up to this Christmas. And I look forward to seeing you too. And so, remember this, you have to give to get. And I'm just going to tell you now the little rhyme that Santa made up that's in his book. It says, we can do it, yes we can. Christmas comes but twice a year. Green to give and red to share. Let's have 2 Christmases everywhere. 2 Christmases. You'll have to read the book to find out. Bye everybody. Have a really great day.